Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to channel for daily updates on job and internship opportunities. I'm thrilled to see the positive feedback we have been receiving, but here's something surprising. Only 20% of our viewers have subscribed so far. Don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Make sure to click that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on excellent job and internship opportunities. By subscribing, you'll stay well informed and won't miss any valuable updates. Join our community today and stay connected with us. Also remember, watch till the end of the video so you don't miss any important updates. In today's video, I have an exceptional opportunity to share with you. TalentKompass Deutschland, a prestigious management consulting firm based in Germany, is searching for a highly motivated front-end development intern to join their esteemed client. This remote position offers a unique chance for someone who is passionate about web development and eager to learn in a dynamic and fast-paced environment. Coming to the responsibilities, as a front-end development intern, you'll work closely with the development and consulting teams, where you will be responsible for a range of tasks, including coding, debugging, and collaborating on innovative web solutions. You will have the extraordinary opportunity to learn from experienced professionals who will provide mentorship and guidance throughout the internship. With this internship, you will gain valuable experience in front-end development, web design, and teamwork, all essential skills for a successful career in this field. Coming to the requirements, to be eligible for this internship, you should have a basic understanding of web development principles and practices. Familiarity with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is essential. Excellent written and verbal communication skills in English are also required, as you will be collaborating with cross-functional teams. The ability to work independently as a part of a team, along with strong organizational skills, is crucial. Knowledge of modern web development tools and frameworks such as React or Angular is a plus. Experience with version control systems such as Git is also a bonus. Now let me explain how you can apply for this fantastic opportunity. To apply, click on the link that is provided in the description. Then you will come to this interface. So after getting to this interface, fill out the application with your personal information like full name, email, phone number, correct company if you are working, LinkedIn URL if you have, and highlight your skills in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in your additional information. Also, you can give any achievement that you have achieved in your professional or your educational career. So here you attach your updated resume or any other supporting documents. That's it. By following these steps, you will be one step closer to securing these exciting internship opportunities. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay connected with us and never miss out on valuable job and internship updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.